my Valentine's, yo. Can I you they making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your loving thing totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kobe. Ule, yabadi de bakamishi. Ule, open up, make I see. Ule, you're my love, one city. If you make a bad man sing, go. I go spend for your head. Talk on the once, I don't care what you said. Cause your matter, now him I want to carry from my head. Every night, now you I want to carry to my bed. Oh, no, no, don't tell me no, no, no. You could be my partner, never riding solo, no. And we can do, I'm lucky, no need to party, oh. I feel like what you're doing, oh yeah, baby, carry go. Dance, oh, your body never can she. Open up, make I see, oh, now you ain't a catch a fancy. They do me, I keep talking, oh no, no, no. Girl, I want to go, but you got me coming. Why should I be coming early in the morning? Oh yeah, shake and make you send my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I go make you on. Aye, give me, baby, make you give me. I go show you loving, I go take you to my city. Loneliness can make a look of pity. You want me can sing your me before you go see me. Fine girl, you know your body bad. Same body bad, can make you shake it for Ghana. Kia dance for me, baby, pan. Come and do the show, no, no, no.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. Give me a reason. I've been trying not to
stay on point. I've been trying to save my voice, but y'all gave me no choice. The world gone mad, can't ignore this noise. Look at these people found dead in the streets. I got some partners that hate the police. Me, I'm just trying to hold on to my peace, cause I'm liable to lose it and go get the peace. I need a reason, I need a season. Pleading with Jesus, all of this grieving. They be like, if you and what you believe in. I do not trip, I keep it G. What in the H, you say in the I? Ain't no JK when I'm talking to God. Don't need a reason to open my eyes. If I'm still breathing, I'm running for mine, man. I've been doing better than I was before. I walk with the limp, cause I've been wrestling with the Holy Ghost. Deep into the spit, but still somehow I keep on floating on. Thought I lost my grip, but God reminded me it's holding on.
Go off the deep end. Give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. Give me a reason. I've been trying not to.
I might go crazy, I might go MJ back in the 80s. Back in the 90s, I might go off, or they better not try me. It might get dicey, I ain't tryna go back to the old me. I'm tryna hang on like my mama told me. Sometimes legs get weak and your arms give out and you sink to the bottom slowly. A grown man wishing that somebody hold me. Never knew my daddy, so nobody showed me. Taught me how to walk through the storm when your heart feel heavy and it's hard and you feeling lonely. But low key, high priest got the keys to the kingdom. High key, low enough to bring him, and I need all of what he bringing. I might go off the deep end, I just need another reason, yeah. I've been doing better than I was before. I walk with the limp, cause I've been wrestling with the Holy Ghost. Deep into the spit, but still somehow I keep on floating on. Thought I lost my grip, but God reminded me it's holding on.
Go off the deep end. Give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. Give me a reason. I've been trying not to.
Peace.